So you've cut out a bunch of bags, they're box bottom bags, and now you have all of these squares left over and you don't know what to do with them. What do? Throw them away? That's usually what I used to do, but I've got a really cool, quick and easy project and gift idea for you coming up next. I always felt so bad throwing all my little squares away after cutting box bottom bags. I have several of them here and I have a really great project for you. Now I do think this is best done out of leather, but it certainly can be done out of faux leather as well. What you're going to do is put them together and measure over from one point an inch in both directions. So I'm just going to make a small dot, turn it, and make a small dot. So now I have 2 dots. I'm going to put these wrong sides together, and I'm going to stitch 1/4 of an inch from the edge to the dot, 1/4 of an inch from the edge to the dot. Okay, from here, you want to go ahead and trim your seam allowance down to 1/8 of an inch. Now, using a shape cutter, something like this, you can go ahead and cut a shape. You want to basically cut this corner off. Another thing you can do is fold this in half so that the 2 stitch lines are together and freehand a shape, or you can just go ahead and cut a rectangle out. Do not cut your stitches, you're just going to cut right next to your stitches. And then from here, you're done. Now, what is it? It is a bookmark. So because it's leather, it stays on the pages really well. You can go ahead and if you have a reader in your family, you can mark the pages of your book. They're super easy to find and it won't bend your pages. Now, you can personalize this and do a lot with it. The one I made for myself, I went ahead and embroidered a letter C on it, and it does exactly the same thing. Of course, you can go ahead and just slide it on a page, and you have a personalized bookmark. So if you have a reader in your family, this is a great gift and a great way to use your scraps. So until next time, everybody, happy sewing.